Oi, you lot! Before we dive in, don't forget to click the link in the description below for your exclusive discount on the Corporate Finance Institute's financial modeling courses. Trust me, your spreadsheets will thank you. Alright, let's cut to the chase. Financial modeling sounds a bit like wizardry, doesn't it? All those numbers, charts, and enough Excel formulas to make your head spin. But here's the twist. It's not just for number-crunching robots in suits. It's for anyone who wants to make smarter, bolder business decisions without falling asleep at their desk. So what is the Corporate Finance Institute, or CFI as the cool kids call it? Well, imagine Hogwarts, but instead of wands, you get spreadsheets. CFI's financial modeling courses break down the magic behind forecasting, budgeting, and valuing companies. They're bite-sized, hands-on, and honestly, a bit addictive once you get going. Let's say you want to predict your company's profits, or maybe you're eyeing a cheeky investment. CFI teaches you how to build models from scratch, step by step. We're talking revenue projections, cost analysis, cash flows, all the bits that make investors nod approvingly. And no, you don't need a maths degree. If you can follow a recipe, you can follow a CFI course. Promise. The best part? You can learn at your own pace in your pajamas with a cuppa in hand. Courses are packed with real-world examples, none of that boring textbook waffle. You'll get templates, quizzes, and even a shiny certificate at the end. Perfect for impressing your boss, or just feeling a bit smug on LinkedIn. Look, whether you're a business newbie or a finance pro wanting to up your game, CFI's got you sorted. So why not have a nosy, grab that discount from the link below, and unlock the secrets of financial modeling with a twist of fun northern style? Go on, give it a go. Your future self plus your bank account will be dead chuffed. Cheers!